Dr. Huebner, Natural Transplants. I am so excited here. I have Andy. Andy has been through the process now twice, and I'll show his progress. I believe he has a video that we put kind of documenting his first surgery and whatnot and his results. But he's here after 1 year after his second surgery. Super excited. He just got married actually, New Year's Eve actually. So this is a whole new chapter of his life, but certainly with his hair, you can see based on the before and after pictures, this is awesome. He's super excited about it. It looks incredible. He doesn't look like a guy with hair loss now. So, but Andy, tell us about the process. Now you've been through it twice, and then tell us what you think of your results.
I would say like the second time around, it's a lot more easier, right? Because you know what to expect. I know kind of the healing process, the timeline. And so the second time around after talking with you, it was really just like pinpointing it and planning it. And like we talked about, I kind of knew what my upcoming year was going to be. So I wanted to get the healing out of the way before summer, spring boat season. I wanted to, I had engagement pictures mid-July, so I knew I wanted to do it early in the year in January. And so I think it was just more knowledgeable this time around about the timelines for healing and what all I was going to go through with it. But it definitely was, it wasn't really scary the first time, but just a little unknown. And so the second time around, you've been down this road, you know what your results are going to be, so you're stoked to see that. And it's just a matter of just fitting it into your life that second time around.
There's never a good time for a hair transplant, but at least psychologically, there's not a lot of unknowns at least. So you know what to expect and some of the things you're going through. Oh yeah, I went through that last time. That's fine, So, but yeah, I guess we're going to just model your hair if that's okay. So I can see it from the front. It looks fantastic. That's a hairline that was recreated and you'll see from the pictures. Maybe just put your chin down a little bit so we can see the top. Just hold it right there. So again, this is a guy that has no hair loss. I mean, this is a guy that has, doesn't look like he had anything done. And then let's have you turn the left side or right side, either one. Yep, just hold it there. Yep. Amazing, man. And then let's see the other side just to be complete. And just hold it there. Wow. Nice. And I see you got a little fade going on there.
Yeah.
With the scar, I mean, does it limit you in terms of what you can do? I
think my barber, she's just like, we couldn't see it. Like, she can't see it near as much. So she was like very happy with the healing on it. Good. And like, because it's always a concern, like, am I going to have to hide this? And she's got my hair cut down pat. She's happy with the results. And, it was a little bit about informing her of the process, because it's like, hey, you're not going to see me for 3 months, but, I'm going to be back and it's going to be a lot better.
I'm going to have a lot more work for you.
She was very interested in the progression of it.
Good. And that's why it's important to really do your research. Pick somebody that knows how to do scar, closures and whatnot. So I'm super happy for you, man. Congratulations on the hair. Congratulations on the marriage.
Thank you.
Enjoy the hair. I know we talked about, we don't know what's going to happen with the crown. We'll see. I'll probably wait a couple years and kind of see how that going. We might do some preventatives. I think you're talking about that. So congratulations, man. Thanks for sharing your story.
Thank you, sir.
Help somebody out in their research. So appreciate all your time.
Yes, sir. I recommend the second coat of paint. It really was big. So.
Good. Awesome, man. Thanks for showing that.
All right, dude.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.